The automotive industry is changing more than ever, but one thing has remained the same. For 100 years, Valeo's onboard innovations have been by your side. We've always drawn our strength from R&D. And today, we need to go faster for the future of our children, for our planet, and for more intelligent mobility. To meet these new challenges, our engineers are thinking bigger while considering even the smallest details. We're radically accelerating electrification, revolutionizing driving assistance, integrating lighting everywhere, reinventing life on board, and we're committed to reducing our carbon footprint. Through their talent and commitment, the women and men of Valeo are building the mobility of tomorrow. Infinity is our engine.
Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us. We're delighted to be here at the CES, especially as this year marks the 10th anniversary of Valeo's participation to the show. When we came here for the first time, that was 10 years ago, we were among the first automotive players to be part of it.
And thank you, Christophe. We're at the dawn of the greatest transformation in the history of mobility sector. The electric, autonomous, and connected vehicle was still in its infancy. And we weren't even talking about the software-defined vehicle yet.
So we saw this revolution coming very early on, and we have prepared ourselves extremely carefully for it. 10 years later, we're in the midst of this revolution. The vehicle is becoming electric, the vehicle is becoming autonomous, and the vehicle is becoming software-defined. And thanks to all the strategic choices and the technical choices that Valeo made, Valeo has become a major player in electrification, in automated driving, and now software-defined vehicles. All our technologies, from ADAS and electrification to the reinvention of the interior experience and lighting, are part of this revolution, fueled by our state-of-the-art electronic development, software algorithm, and for sure, AI applications as well.
And it's not coincidence that so many technologies we have been showcasing here at CES over the past 10 years have found their way onto the road and into production, many of them commonplace in cars today. Our autonomous parking systems now equip more than 5 million new vehicles per year, 5 million. Our Valeo Scala LiDAR, the first automotive-grade LiDAR to be mass-produced, equips the first vehicles on the market capable of achieving level 3 autonomy. Our driver monitoring system, which detects driver fatigue or distraction, is now featured on production cars. Our concept of an affordable 48-volt eCT car has become reality with the Citroën Ami and the Fiat Topolino, which are equipped with our 48-volt motors. And perhaps you also remember our XtraView and XtraView trailer technologies, which makes your trailer or the car in front of you invisible on the car display for better visibility, easier maneuvering, and improved safety. All of this is to say that the technologies we have presented at CES in recent years have helped change mobility as we know it.
Well, just as the ones we present to you today are a concrete vision of the near future of mobility. Our constant ambition is to have a tangible and a positive impact on people's life and on sustainable mobility.
We create tech for good, tech for change, and above all, tech for everyone. No tech for tech's sake. Our technologies are designed to make mobility safer, cleaner, smarter, and affordable for the greatest number of people.
And firstly, we make technology to help save lives and improve road safety. The lives of drivers and passengers, as well as those of other vulnerable road users. As the world leader in ADAS and visibility systems, this is at the core of our mission. Every year, as you know, around 1.3 million people lose their lives in road accidents, and between 20 and 50 million people are injured. Well, the current acceleration of ADAS is obviously good news from this point of view. By 2030, around 90% of cars will be equipped with advanced driving aids, with 50% achieving level 2 and level 2 plus. And around 3 million cars will achieve level 3 or 4. And we are clearly playing our part in the democratization of ADAS everywhere and for everyone. At the forefront of this ADAS revolution is, of course, our latest generation LiDAR, which has just received a CES 2024 Innovation Award.
The Valeo Scala 3 LiDAR is able to see what neither the human eye, nor a camera, nor any other sensor can see. It can detect high speeds at night or an unlit highway, a black tire at a distance of more than 150 meters. This technological duo is capable of extremely accurate scene analysis thanks to our market-leading resolution coupled with our AI-based detection and classification software. We are convinced that the gradual democratization of LiDAR over and above the autonomy it affords can help save lives. We're also very proud to showcase our teleoperation technology to park cars safely from miles away with our partners BMW and Verizon. This technology, which relies on our sensors, computing platform and ECUs, our connectivity, and once again, our software expertise, will be an essential technology to scale up automated fleet management in the future with concrete use cases in OEM factories and for robotaxi companies, for instance.
Beyond LiDAR, beyond autonomous mobility, it's essential to make ADAS affordable for all. In this respect, we are very pleased to present today our Valeo Smart Safety 360 solution that will contribute to democratizing level 2, level 2 plus at a global scale. This solution is based on our front camera, which is operating on the latest Mobileye computer vision technology. The camera is at the center of the architecture and connected to the other sensors. The camera is to be used as a central computer. It's cost-effective, it's efficient, and it provides a whole range of safety and comfort functions with limited impact on the architecture and the sensors. We are already in production. We are already in production with this technology, and we are convinced that it will pave the way for affordable driving safety systems.
And at the same time, Christophe, we're presenting today for the first time the world's smallest and most sensitive automotive-grade night vision camera. It's the fruit of a partnership with FLIR, the world leader in thermal cameras. This technology is going to be a key enabler to extend the detection of vulnerable road users, animals, vehicles, and road edges in all driving conditions. Could be day, night, sun, and headlight glare. Could be fog, could be smoke, snow, rain, or dust storm. We have already signed our first business for this technology. This further strengthens what is already, at Valeo, the most comprehensive portfolio for software-defined vehicles, with the most complete portfolio of sensors completed with our AI-based software, our sensor cleaning systems that ensure 100% of sensor efficiency, whatever the outside conditions are, as well as the central computing units and zonal controllers.
And the very good news is that we're going to go much further and much faster in the development of the validation of our ADAS autonomous algorithm. Thanks to a partnership with Applied Intuition that we are very delighted to announce today, we will be able to test through a proven digital twin the hardware and the software in an infinite number of scenarios, an infinite number of times. So we will go much further in our simulations with obvious benefits when it comes to performance and robustness, and for even faster improvements in road safety. This platform will not only be used for the purpose of developing and validating our own systems, but also as a service to manufacturers, to OEMs, to help them to bring safe and reliable ADAS features to market in a faster way, and to facilitate the release of incremental upgrades. So together with applied intuition, we are simply redefining the future of ADAS perception through a digital twin technology.
Thank you, Christophe. And finally, as part of a way to democratize driving assistance, we've developed our first advanced riding assistance, not only for four-wheeler cars, but also for two- and three-wheelers, from ADAS to ARAS. Our software simply turns a cell phone into an obstacle detection sensor, making ADAS possible for any rider of any kind of systems and technologies.
Thank you, Geoffrey. In addition to improving road safety, the other fundamental challenge facing mobility is decarbonization, as you know. And we've come a long way in this field. 10 years ago, the 100% electric vehicle hardly existed. Today, electrification is not only underway, it's well advanced, and it's accelerating. Electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid already represent 18% of new cars. So we need to speed up. We need to speed up this transition and make it as affordable as possible for everyone. And as a world leader in electrification, we're working on it every day to make the electric mobility more efficient and simpler.
And this is what we do, for instance, with our next generation of comprehensive electric powertrain 6-in-1. It's 10% lighter, 20% more compact, and its 800-volt SiC inverter achieves more than 5% efficiency and more than 40% additional power density. Just to be clear, gaining 5% in efficiency means gaining about 20 miles of range with the same battery on an electric car with about 250 miles of range.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
We know that two of the main obstacles to electric cars are range and charging time. And to put an end to the anxiety linked to the range, we are proud to present today Valeo Predict for Range, the most advanced thermal management predictive software for EV range. It's a cutting-edge software that predicts the most efficient thermal management strategy for your trip, integrating real-time data like the outside temperature, like the wind speed, the charging station map, the road elevation, connected to the full digital twin of the electric vehicle thermal energy management system. Thanks to this, it preserves range by up to 20% at 0 degrees C for daily home work trip compared to a traditional thermal management control. And to make charging as simple and smooth as possible, we have developed the most efficient wireless charging solution available on the market today.
Yeah, and this technology, which we are really proud of, actually works by induction, uses 3 kilohertz versus 85 kilohertz from the competition, with an efficiency of more than 82 to 83% from grid to battery. The use of a very low frequency avoids a number of safety-related constraints. This solution is also much more simpler, over 50% lighter and more affordable. And to avoid any object interference between the charging system and the vehicle, we complete this solution with our under-vehicle detection systems made with ultrasonic sensors.
And we're not just making charging easier, we're making it faster as well. And this is thanks to our battery immersive cooling with dielectric fluid. We are able to reduce, thanks to that, the charging time by 30%. This is the technology that also optimizes the battery warm-up time by more than 30% for a better system performance.
And we don't stop here. We now even apply our thermal management expertise beyond the automotive sector to cooling data centers. You may recall last year we came to present our solution in that field that could consume up to 5 times less energy than air cooling solutions. Well, we're very pleased to be able to announce today the conclusion of a 4-year commercial agreement with our partner, Zootacor, and we set to deliver our first technologies to Zootacor in the second half of 2024.
This is great technology. In order to democratize electric mobility as widely as possible and make it accessible to as many people as possible, we're going well beyond cars to electrify all forms of mobility. And you'll see this again here at the CES, where we are presenting e-bikes, we're presenting e-3-wheelers, we're presenting e-motorbikes, we're presenting e-trucks, we're presenting e-golf carts equipped with our electric propulsion system.
Well, beyond sustainability and improved safety, which are the heart of our mission, our technologies can also contribute to making new experiences possible. Using existing sensors and software first made for safety, or for example, enabling VR, XR tailor-made solutions for gaming, relaxing, or more global entertainment. With our Valeo Panorama XR, your loved one can also enjoy your journey with their smartphone or enjoy a 360 view of your car as if it were filmed by a drone. Another new immersive and multi-sensory experience is our Valeo Imagine concept. Thanks to this technology, jointly developed with Sennheiser Mobility, you can customize your cabin space with personalized lighting and immersive sound bubbles around each passenger. It projects imagings on the ceiling and dashboard, combined with smart surfaces and relaxing sounds for an immersive and intuitive experience. Thanks to our technologies, customization extends also to exterior lighting, as on this, which is the Zeekr latest model. It is equipped with our Valeo thin bi-light bifunction 15mm height and 2 digital panels. Those panels are bundled with more than 1,700 LEDs, offering personalized and interactive experience.
Of course, all these technologies and the current transformation of mobility are made possible and shaped by software. Software is everywhere. And as you know, software-defined vehicle will enable over-the-air upgrades, over-the-air updates, increasing the customization of the car throughout its life cycle. Just like we do with our smartphone today. So we at Valeo, we are a key enabler of this transformation, being one of the leaders in automotive embedded software. And we've been building on our software expertise for the last 30 years now.
And today, 8,000 of our more than 20,000 engineers are dedicated to software and systems. In a few days' time, we'll inaugurate our latest dedicated software development center in Querétaro, Mexico. We have developed a full stack expertise in software, from basic software to middleware operating systems and up to application software. Our open software suite allows us to interface with the entire ecosystem, actually, all the operating systems, all the customers, and all our partners.
To meet our customers' changing needs and the growing decoupling of hardware and software, we launched just a few months ago Valeo Answer. Valeo Answer, our software as a product and software as a service offer. It's a triple-level offer that includes best-in-class applications, middleware, which is the essential link that enables the communication between the applications and the SoC, and services for our customers, such as software architecture design, integration, validation, testing, and maintenance.
And now, beyond software, AI is a fabulous leverage to contribute to this great transformation and push back the frontiers of what is possible. It opens up fantastic opportunities to improve our technologies, our industrial capabilities, and our performance. In this respect, We are really proud today to work with Google Cloud and generative AI and to accelerate in this field and develop innovative and efficient solutions for greener and safer mobility for all. We will make the most of Google Cloud's technologies, expertise, and infrastructure, and focus on Gen AI use cases for application all across the company.
Thank you, Geoffrey. As you see, the current transformation of our sector is so vast, it's so quick, that no one can claim to be leading it by itself. That's why the partnership and the ecosystem approach is more fundamental than ever, as underlined by the many announcements that we made with our partners here at the CES. This logic of openness enables us to go faster and to go further.
And our, let's say, partnership approach with our customers has probably never been stronger than today. This has been demonstrated by our hand-in-hand work with Renault, for instance, on the development of a software-defined vehicle or the new generation of rare earth-free electric motor, but also with BMW through a strategic partnership for the development of the new generation of automatic parking systems. This collaborative approach is also reflected in our partnerships with players such as Mobileye, Qualcomm, Google, Applied Intuition, and many, many others.
Our group, Valeo, celebrated its 100th anniversary last year, and we are undoubtedly living through one of the most exciting periods in the automotive history. By preparing ourselves to be a major player and an enabler of this transformation, Valeo has transformed itself from a classic automotive supplier into a tech company at the heart of mobility and beyond. Well, thank you very much for listening to this conference. You are very much welcome to visit the Valeo booth here at the CES. And before we leave, we'd love to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you very much.